Today, we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs with the 2025 Cadillac XT5, a vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and top-tier performance. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a cross-country journey, the XT5 is built to make every drive extraordinary. First things first, the 2025 XT5 turns heads wherever it goes. Cadillac has refined its signature grille, giving it a bold yet elegant presence. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of sophistication, especially with the signature vertical light bars that Cadillac is known for. And let's not forget the aerodynamic design, sleek, yet muscular, creating a perfect balance between form and function. But the real magic happens on the inside. Step into the XT5, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed, from the premium leather upholstery to the brushed aluminum and real wood accents. The ambient lighting system allows you to customize the atmosphere to your liking, whether you're looking for a calm evening vibe or a vibrant road trip energy. At the heart of the XT5's interior is the latest iteration of Cadillac's user experience system. The 12.3-inch touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, giving you seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and climate controls. Plus, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. And for audiophiles, the optional 14-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system delivers a concert-like experience. Under the hood, the 2025 XT5 offers two impressive engine options: a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 for efficiency and everyday performance, and a 3.6-liter V6 for those who crave a little more power. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. And with available all-wheel drive, you can tackle any road condition with confidence. The driving experience in the XT5 is nothing short of exceptional. Cadillac has equipped this SUV with advanced adaptive suspension, which adjusts to road conditions in real time for a smooth and controlled ride. The steering is precise, the braking is responsive, and the overall handling feels confident and composed. It's the kind of SUV that makes even mundane errands feel like an adventure. Safety has always been a priority for Cadillac, and the XT5 is no exception. It comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The new enhanced vision system offers a 360-degree view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Of course, practicality is key in any SUV, and the XT5 delivers with ample cargo space. With the rear seats up, you have plenty of room for groceries or weekend luggage. Fold them down, and you'll find enough space for larger items like sports equipment or furniture. The hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading effortless, even when your hands are full. And here's something exciting for 2025: the XT5 now comes in a hybrid variant, combining luxury and efficiency. With a focus on sustainability, this model delivers excellent fuel economy without compromising performance or comfort. Cadillac is paving the way for a greener future, and the hybrid XT5 is a perfect step in that direction. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Cadillac XT5 is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a statement. It's for those who demand style, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a single package. Whether you're navigating urban streets or exploring the great outdoors, the XT5 is ready to elevate your driving experience. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest vehicles redefining the road. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.